Okay, so today we will be installing this brand new chip with this homemade. Don't forget your tools, especially not this guy. Alright, so unfortunately, we ordered the wrong piece. I wasn't really able to record in there much. But long story short, we ordered the wrong piece. And now we have to download a software onto a small SD card and then install that software onto the machine in order for the machine to accept credit card readers. With older machines, that's just typically what you have to do with them. They won't accept newer credit card readers. So what you have to do, you either have to buy an EEPROM chip, which is what you get from the manufacturer of that typical machine, or like how I have to do now, you have to download a specific software onto a small SD card in order for the machine to now accept credit card readers. And then you download that software onto your machine.